All right, traders from around the world, it is your Friday trade review. I have so many trades to choose from right now, but I got to pick one with my girl, Emily Young. She just quit her job to be a full-time trader just a few days ago. So check this out. I just want to walk through, and again, this is going to be one of many that I could have chosen today, but let's go and talk about this really great trade that she took on the micro NQ, which is the NASDAQ futures. And one of her main goals and rules is she has to trade with the trend. So she uses Momo to help her determine what is the trend. And as you can see right there, it's kind of screaming at you. Exit short, enter long, right? Obviously a very, very nice bullish trend, so she can't go short. One of the things, that's one of the things we've been working on, is because recently she would try to take this short up here, right? It would reverse and then stop her out kind of thing. So only trade with the trend. All right, stock trades up, and you can see she had a really nice wave count. One takeaway, Emily, is I think this would have been a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, this is a 5. That's probably how I would have drawn it at the time. I'm not saying that's what it is now, but that's most likely how I would have drawn it. But anyway, regardless, beside the point, really good pullback, right? We see the candles. You see this little small hammer right here. So she plays that hammer bullish. You can see some of the notes that she has on her screen. Trade one loss, had order waiting for a pullback into the 8 EMA, 85.15. Saw the hammer on the EMA and thought it was good. Stopped out below 675. Went below the EMA. I thought it might have been early, right? So she took a trade, lost on it. No big deal. Beautiful. First trade, 17.65 point loss on the micros. Now, second trade, trade number 2 win. The trend was up with Momo long. I watched this hammer on the 5 minute. So this hammer right here, this beautiful, beautiful hammer candle. Next candle, for all intents and purposes, was an inside candle, right? Again, overall trend is still bullish. Inside candle, nice little upper shadow. So she sees that. She thinks it's a higher wave forming. So she gets in again long at 72.50, which is an abbreviation, right? It's this price point right here. So she gets in, and stop loss is here with the target to the pivot of the 413 area, which is like this blue line. You can see 15,413. That would have been a target right there. And she did that so that she would make sure that she won more than her previous loss. And check this out. Look at her selling into strength. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bull candles in a row, and then a reversal. I don't know if we've ever seen that before. I don't know if that's a pattern that we could, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, I'm so glad we can count to 5. Anyway, great job, Emily. Phenomenal win. $216 on the day. Way to get it done. Champion. Now, I don't know if a lot of you know this, but $200 on the day, on average, 5 days a week is $1,000 a week, times 4 weeks is $4,000 a month, times 12 months is 48 grand a year. That is a livable wage, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have to make $100,000 a month to make money trading. Slow and steady wins the race. Emily Young, way to get it. Ladies and gentlemen, I love real life trading. I love you all. Have a great weekend. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.